Hello everyone, I am Dan. I am a avatar. I am delighted to share with you a technology that plays a crucial role in the field of architectural design and engineering. Revit family. Revit family is a significant element in building information modeling software, providing us with a powerful tool to create, manage, and share architectural design information in a digital environment. Whether in the field of architectural design or mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineering, Revit family plays a key role, bringing revolutionary changes to design and construction projects. Firstly, let's take a look at Revit architecture. Through the concept of Revit family, architects can create reusable building elements such as walls, windows, doors, etc. These elements not only include geometric shapes, but also embed parameters, making the design more flexible. Through Revit family, architectural teams can collaborate more efficiently, reduce errors, and improve design consistency and accuracy. Thank you for watching Primus channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. I am Dan. See you soon.